How to become a GAM 360 parent publisher? Now, this question comes a lot to me and it is one of the most requested video tutorial. So I thought I'll create a detailed video series for you wherein I lay out a path wherein you start as an AdSense publisher and ultimately become a GAM reseller. Now, for users looking out for quick options like buying a GAM 360 parent publisher account, eye opener, this isn't possible. This isn't something that I'll be guiding you in this tutorial series. However, if you're looking for a sustained path, become a GAM 360 parent publisher, I am there to guide you. Now, not everything in this world can be bought. Some things have to be earned, and same is the case with GAM 360 parent account. Unless, of course, you are some millionaire or billionaire and you have enough money to buy in a reseller or a channel partner company itself, then that's a separate case. But why again they'll be willing to sell their company to you? That's a gold mine to them, right? So today I'll break down your journey to become a GAM 360 parent publisher in 7 stages. So all of the publishers seeing this video tutorial, they'll know what is their immediate next step slash immediate next milestone that they should achieve to move ahead in their monetization journey. So getting started with exploring these 7 stages, and for all of these 7 stages I would be uploading a video tutorial for you. These video tutorials will keep on coming in every 2 to 3 days, so keep watching out for my YouTube channel for every upload. Now let's explore these 7 stages. First is becoming a content creator slash blogger. So in this particular stage I would explain to you how do you actually approach yourself while creating content. How do you select a particular niche, and how do you actually get started with your content creation journey, whether you should go in with user generated content, whether you should prefer AI content. I would cover all of these things in this particular video tutorial. Now, once you have selected a niche, you have selected a particular site, and you have built the site, we will get started with actually sorting your AdSense approval. Now, getting yourself approved with AdSense is a relatively easy process. However, majorly I've seen a lot of publishers get stuck at this stage as well. So another video tutorial will focus on getting yourself approved with AdSense. Now your AdSense is created. What is the next important stage for you? So the next important stage for you would be creating your own Google Ad Manager account. Now, while creating your GAM account as well, you might enter into certain roadblocks. So in here, I would recommend a particular process and lay out a plan wherein you can easily get your GAM account once you have your AdSense fully approved. Also, if you don't have an AdSense account but you have an invite from an ad exchange, MI or MA or MI reseller, you can still have a Google Ad Manager account. So that's also something we'll be covering. After that, once your GAM is set up, we'll be exploring into the MA and MI account approval stage. So for the publishers who actually have reached out to me, majorly all of these publishers are stuck with having an MA account, and they have certain reach and they want to start their Google Ad Exchange company. So step 4 would be a level playing ground for you, and from here you can watch all the consecutive video tutorials, because I would tell you what is the next step for the people having a Google Ad Exchange MA account. Now you must have thought that I'll tell you that it's a GAM 360, but not. For you, the next stage would be getting your own Google Ad Exchange account. Now, this is something that is not widely talked about and let me quickly tell you why. Because if you have your own Google Ad Exchange account, you're taking the resellers out of the equation. So not many of the YouTubers will recommend you this, because it's taking them out of business. But having your own Google Ad Exchange account is one of the most important steps to actually becoming a GAM 360 parent publisher. Now, you have your own Google Ad Exchange account approved. What is the next step? The next step would be transitioning to GAM 360 account. Now, you can also get a GAM 360 account by reaching out to Reseller, or you can actually get a GAM 360 account by Google upgrading you. But keep in mind, GAM 360 account and a GAM 360 parent publisher MCM account, these are two different things. Becoming a GAM 360 account holder doesn't guarantee you becoming an MCM account holder. So this is something that has not been clarified a lot. So yeah, but GAM 360 is a prerequisite of becoming an MCM parent. Also, keep in mind that having GAM 360 account won't earn you more money with Ad Exchange. In fact, your billings tab would be set up and you will start paying fees to Google over the impressions you serve. So GAM 360 is not for all the publishers. It's mainly focused for the direct publishers who are looking for specific features, and one of its most highlight features is the audience targeting capabilities. But for the most of the publishers who are just focusing on Ad Exchange, you do not need all the GAM 360 features. You just need basically open bidding, and that you can get without GAM 360 as well. Now, you have actually become a GAM 360 parent account holder. Your next stage would be to become a GAM channel partner and eventually a reseller. So again, GAM channel partner is an initial level parent account holder, NCM parent account holder, and GAM resellers are seasoned channel partners with years of experience and who bring a lot in ad tech field to the publishers. Now, I'll be sharing with you a questionnaire that is typically a 27 questions that Google asks you while you become a GAM channel partner. So in this last video tutorial that I upload in this series, I would be getting you prepared for the Google interview, so that you are aware of what all things you can expect when Google reaches out to you to become a GAM channel partner. One important thing to keep in mind is nobody other than Google can make you a GAM channel partner or reseller. This is not something that you can buy it out. I'm saying it out loud again because I get in a lot of queries wherein people say that they're ready to buy this account. I want to become a reseller. I'll pay you a hefty amount. This is something not possible. No other company other than Google can make you a GAM channel partner. Now, before jumping into the series, I will show you how does a real GAM 360 account looks like, because majority of the YouTubers you are watching have not even showed you a GAM 360 account. So I'll show you how do these YouTubers upgrade your account and how does a real GAM 360 account looks like. Now quickly let me show you how do some YouTubers upgrade their account to GAM 360. So they'll simply navigate to global settings, network settings. So I have this open for you because I don't want to spend much time of yours. So what they'll do is they'll simply change this name to Ad Exchange 360 and save. So does making this change make this account a 360 account? Absolutely not. So this is how the things would be updated in the GAM account's name. So it's listed in here AdX 360, and they trick you to believe that this is a Ad Exchange or a GAM 360 account. Guys, this is not how a GAM 360 account looks like. Now, this is a GAM 360 account example because it's quite evident from the logo itself. To find a GAM 360 account, you'll see Ad Manager 360 listed in the logo, not in the name. So I'm not showing in the name because it's an account of a real publisher and I cannot disclose its details. But very simply, how do you verify it's a GAM 360 account? There'll be features like, PPID, publisher provided signals. They'll be enabled for you. You'll get an option to actually create audience segments. So these all features specify that this is a GAM 360 account. Now keep that in mind that this is a GAM 360 account, not a MCM parent publisher account. So that is again separate things. Please keep on watching my video tutorial series, and if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, please do like and subscribe. I'll be uploading videos of these 7 stages as soon as I can, so you can watch in from your particular stage, and this will help you get a sustained path to become a GAM 360 parent publisher.